Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to save someone's TikTok video into our account so that we can mark them and visit them, watch them again later. So the thing that you have to do, open your TikTok applications here and don't forget to sign in into your account. And sometimes whenever you are sign in or open your TikTok, you will be generated into your home section. And I want to suggest you are, because in this For You sections here there will be containing a lot of recommended video that is generated by the TikTok algorithm. So now you just need to find the video that catch your attention, and whenever you got the video, to save those video into your account, you just need to take a look on this right side here. There will be several buttons. The first button here with the love sign is for giving a like for the creator, and this one is for commenting their content, and this part is for saving it and mark it into your account. So whenever you click this will be added into your favorite, and you can visit them. You can watch this video again whenever you go into the profile and go into this section. So that is the way how to save a video on your account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.